Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mongoose schema validation in Express APIs, beginner guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will learn how to set up Mongoose schema validation in Express APIs. First, ensure you have Node.js and npm installed on your system. Next, create a new directory for your project and navigate into it using the terminal. Run the command npm init to initialize a new Node.js project. Now, install the necessary packages by running npm install express mongoose. Create a new file named app.js in your project directory. In app.js, require the necessary modules by adding const express equals require express and const mongoose equals require mongoose. Next, establish a connection to your MongoDB database using Mongoose. Use mongoose.connect, your Mongo connection string, use new URL parser, true, use unified topology, true, to connect. Replace your Mongo connection string with your actual MongoDB connection string. Now, define a Mongoose schema for your data. Create a new schema by adding const user schema equals new Mongoose schema, and specify your fields and their types. For example, you could define a user schema with fields for name and email. Add validation rules directly within the schema definition by using the required, unique, and min-length options. Once your schema is defined, create a Mongoose model using const user equals mongoose.model user schema. Next, set up your Express app by adding const app equals express below your require statements. Enable JSON parsing by adding app.use express.json to your Express app. Now, create a post route to handle user creation. Define the route using app.post/users async req res equals. Inside the route, attempt to create a new user by calling const user equals new user req body. Use a try-catch block to handle potential validation errors. In the try block, await user.save and return a success message with res.status 201.send. In the catch block, return a 400 status code with the error message using res.status 400.send error.message. Now, start your server by adding const port equals process.env.port 3000 and app.listen port equals. Finally, test your API using tools like Postman or Insomnia. Send a post request to http://localhost 3000/users with a JSON object representing a new user. Make sure to include fields according to your schema. If everything is set up correctly, your API will validate the request against your Mongoose schema. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.